X equals x root of 4096. Guys, let's solve this equation together. First of all, we apply the law of indices to simplify this root. Applying the rule, therefore, we can write 4096 to the power of 1 over x. That's for the first root. Then the second root, we also have all to the power of 1 over x. And this equals x. So when we multiply these two power, we are going to have x equals 4096 all to the power of 1 over x squared. Next, we multiply the power both sides by x squared, and we have x to the power of 1 times x squared equals 4096 all to the power of 1 over x squared times x squared. Then here, x squared cancels x squared. We'll be left with x to the power of x squared equals 4096. Then next, we take the square of both sides, and we have x to the power of x squared all squared equals 4096 all to the power of 2. By multiplying this, we would have x to the power of 2 times x squared equals, we can write 4096 as 64 to the power of 2. Then we have all to the power of 2. Once again, the power multiplies, and we have x squared times x squared equals 64 to the power of 4. And also we can rewrite 64 as 8 to the power of 2 and all to the power of 4. And this equals x squared times power of x squared. Also 2 multiplies 4, and we have x squared times power of x squared equals 8 to the power of 8. Now, by observing the equation closely, we can therefore deduce that x squared equals 8. Therefore, we write this as x squared equals 8 and would be equals square root of 8. Simplifying this, we'll have x equals 2 root 2. Final answer.